Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Professor N.V. Adpe from S&T College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. And I am working as an assistant professor in Electrical Engineering Department. In previous video or previous lecture, we started the methods for level measurement. In that previous video, we studied the mechanical methods and numerical methods for the measurement of level. Now, in that lecture, we will discuss the electrical methods for level measurement. First one is resistive method. It is called as contact point method. It will be used as mercury column as a conductor. In that uses mercury column as a conductor. Various resistances are connected at different levels of liquid. When liquid level rises, mercury column also increases. Mercury column also increases. So corresponding resistances are short circuited. Corresponding resistances are short circuited. Resistances are chosen or select such that 1 upon R is a linear function of liquid level. Means as the level of liquid level increases, the resistance value will be decreases. So we get stepwise measurement. Also, as liquid level increases, the mercury column also increases. This is a resistive method connection. This is a tank. This is a mercury vapor lamp. Mercury. Again, this is a supply meter. Then this is your resistances. This is a meter. This is used for the current flowing to the circuit. This will measure the current flowing to the circuit. As the current increases, means the resistance value will be decreases, and as the resistance increases, we can say that the level of the tank or liquid level will be decreases. According to that, this is resistance will be chosen in such a way that 1 upon R is a function of liquid level. Means as the resistance increases, means as the liquid level increases, the resistance decreases, and as the liquid level decreases, the value of resistance will be increases. This is your resistive method to measure the liquid level. Next one is inductive method. It is based on variable permeability method. It consists of two coils, I1 and I2, would wound on steel tube consisting conducting liquid. Steel tube consisting of conducting liquid. Coils are in series, aided through resistor. Coils are in series, aided through resistor. Arrangement is excited by AC system. Arrangement is excited by AC system. Value of coil inductance. Value of coil inductance is used for predetermined level of liquid in tube. Means the value of coil inductance. The value of coil inductance we can measure, and then with the help of this inductance value, the liquid level will be changed. The liquid level will be changed. Level of liquid changes, the permeability changes, and hence as the permeability changes, the inductance of the coil will be changes, and hence the output voltage will be changes. This is your connection of inductive method to measure the liquid level. This is a primary winding. This is your iron core. Through that iron core, as the current flowing to the primary coil, the current will be flowing through that core, and secondary winding, the EMF is induced in the secondary winding. And according to the mercury and flow of the water, the EMF induced in the secondary winding, EMF induced in the secondary winding will be changed, and according to that, we can measure the liquid level. Next one is capacitive method. The capacitors for the basic capacitor arrangement. The capacitors for the basic capacitor arrangement shown in figure 1 can be computed from the equation, that is C is equal to E into epsilon A upon T, where C is the capacitance in picofarad, E is a constant known as absolute permittivity of free space, epsilon is relative dielectric constant of the insulative material. A is effective area of the conductors, and D is the distance between the conductors of capacitor. Two parallel plates. The distance between the two parallel plates. This is the connection diagram to measure. It is used to measure the liquid level. This is a cylinder. This is your liquid, and these are the variable capacitors, and resistance are connected to the one side of the tank and the middle, and according to this capacitance value, we can measure the liquid level. Next one is nucleonic method of level measurement. The nucleonic gauge consists of a suitable source or number of sources of alpha, beta, and gamma rays, neutron rays, radiation arrangement in a fixed geometrical relationship with one or more radiation detectors. By using radiation detectors, we can detect the radiation rays, that is alpha, beta, gamma, neutron, or X-ray. Most of these nucleonic gauges are based on a few most common nuclear techniques. This will be based on a nuclear techniques. The basic principle states that absorption of beta or gamma rays varies with amount of thickness of liquid between source and detector. The rays absorption of beta and gamma rays, it will be varies according to the thickness of liquid, thickness of liquid between source and detector. So it becomes a function of liquid level. This is your connect diagram from to the output circuitry, the radiation source. In that direction, we can we will strike the rays, and in that direction to the output circuitry. This will be radiation detector, liquid, and tank, and according to that we can find the height. Then ultrasonic method. Ultrasonic level measurement. operates on the basic principle of using sound wave to determine fluid level. The frequency range for ultrasonic methods is 20 to 200 kilohertz and sonic types use a frequency of 10 kilohertz. A top-up tank mounted transducer directs wave downward in burst onto the surface of the material whose level is to be measured. Echoes of these waves return to the transducer, which performs calculations to convert the distance of wave travel into a measure of level into the tank. This is your ultrasonic method. This signal output and the beam, ultrasonic transmitter and receiver, and this is your liquid. So thank you very much.